Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made this really easy and delicious ground beef stroganoff. Let's go.
So my first step was to get a pot of water with some chicken bouillon started on the stove to boil for our noodles later. And then I diced up 2 full white onions. I'm making a double batch, so you really just need one if you're only making a single batch. Then I added a tablespoon and a half of butter and my onions to a large skillet, along with 4 packages of pre-sliced mushrooms. Then I grabbed 2 cups of water and added a beef bouillon cube to it. And then I sprinkled in a little bit of salt to help draw out the moisture of my mushrooms and onions so that they would cook a little bit faster. Once my water was boiling, I added 2 packages of egg noodles and continued to stir my mushroom and onion mix. After the onions and mushrooms were nice and soft, I went ahead and added in 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 pounds of pre-cooked ground beef that I had in my freezer. I kept stirring everything just to make sure nothing stuck. I added 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of stone ground mustard. You could also use Dijon. Then I sprinkled in about 2 tablespoons of flour to kind of make the base to our thick sauce. And then I added in my beef stock and 1 cup of sour cream, mixed that all together. And then by the time that was done, my noodles were ready to drain. So I drained those and poured them back into the skillet with the sauce. It was too big, so I had to pour it back in the other skillet. And then I gently mixed it together with a spoon. You don't really want to break up your noodles. And I did add a little bit more butter, probably another tablespoon and a half or so. And that was that. It was super easy, especially if you have ground beef in the freezer ready to go. Otherwise, just cook it on the side while you're making everything else. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.